In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address associated with your Surveymonkey account. Whether you're updating information for security reasons or you just have a new email you'd prefer to use, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by logging into your Surveymonkey account. Once you're in, navigate to the My Account section. This is your personal hub where all your account details are stored, so it's a crucial area to get familiar with if you want to manage your settings effectively. Within this section, look for the Profile area. Here, you'll find an option labeled Change Account Email and Password. Selecting this will lead you directly to the Login Details page. Now, on the Login Details page, you'll see an Edit option right next to your current email address. Clicking this will open up a new field where you can input your new email address. But don't stop there. It's essential to verify this change, so you'll need to enter your current password to confirm your identity. Once you've done this, click the Next button to proceed. After hitting Next, it's time to head over to your email inbox. Surveymonkey will have sent you a verification email, which is a standard practice to ensure security and accuracy in updating your details. Find this email and click on the verification link provided. Once you've done that, voila! Your new email is now your login key. The process doesn't just end here. Surveymonkey will prompt you to log in again, this time using your newly updated email address. It's a simple step, but it ensures that all your account data is aligned with your new credentials. Now, there are a few important considerations to keep in mind. After you've successfully updated your email address, Surveymonkey will send a notification to your old email address to inform you of the change. This is a security measure to prevent any unauthorized account updates. One tip is to make sure your new email is one that only you can access. It's best to avoid using generic email addresses like info@ or admin@, as these may not be supported by Surveymonkey. Furthermore, if you don't verify your new email, Surveymonkey might restrict your ability to collect responses or even log into your account, so make sure to complete that verification step. By following these instructions, you ensure your Surveymonkey account is up to date with an email address that you prefer and trust. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need a refresher.